Hi, I'm Shaun from HomePlus Rotorua. My brother and I have had the business for the last 30 years. My background was civil engineering. I was offered a share in the business by my in-laws who owned it, and the rest is history. What makes HomePlus different? It's our ability to custom make products, and one of the unique things about us is the support behind the scenes. We pride ourselves on the ability to manufacture products to satisfy our customers' requirements, and if it's not right, we definitely put it right. No questions asked. The products we offer mainly are gates, fencing, shower doors, security doors, awnings, and we also manufacture and produce all the other products in the range. We have a couple who work long hours and wanted their place ventilated, and they have a couple of doors on the front of the house. We put on some ClearGuard double sliding security screens, which really solved the solution and allowed ventilation and airflow throughout the house for the day, keeping it cool and comfortable.